So guys, welcome to another video. I am in Morjim. This is Morjim. I am in Morjim right now, and it's around 5:30 in the evening. And I think the best thing to come and park is with your bikes, guys. There is no parking for cars. I've somehow managed to park my car in this area. But this is the whole stretch of Morjim, and I'll show you what's happening, what the vibes are like. I'll show you a couple of restaurants as well down there. So yeah, stay tuned till the end of the video, guys. And you can see a lot of people, a lot of movement happening in this area. Such a beautiful stretch. So guys, again, I'm just heading down to the beach, but what I'm doing is this entire stretch is the beach. Bus mein abhi I'm just going towards Keso. It's a 24-hour restaurant, pub, whatever you want to call it, guys. I'll show you all that. But this is the whole stretch of Morjim. So heading there right now. And you can see there's a lot of movement, a lot of tourists that are coming in. And guys, again, if you do like my channel, and please give me a lot of feedback. If you think I gotta improvise and everything, do mention in the comments below. But if you do like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, guys. Alright, so stay tuned till the very end. And I love Goa because there's all the coconut trees and all that around here. It looks so cool. And again, it's such a beautiful stretch. Guys, Keso is right here, almost there. And we'll just go through Keso. I'll show you. It's a 24-hour place, guys. Of course, there are more restaurants here down the road and shacks on the beach. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll show you more of Morjim. A few shops in and around this area, but this is Keso. 24/7 lounge and bar. It's a beautiful place, guys. You can always come here. I'll actually show you. If you see, this is the whole stretch, and it's so damn beautiful, man. Oh yeah, so this is pretty much it. 24-hour cafe. You can come down and have a good time. That's the bar. And heading down towards the beach, guys. Whoa. And this is how it looks here. It's crazy here. It's so nice and peaceful, like. They're all getting set up for the evening. And what I like, it's a 24-hour joint. Like, look at this place. It's so huge, man. Okay, so stick around, guys. I'm going to show you what's that side. And I'm just going to take a walk a little bit in this corner as well, because it's a small stretch. And then if you do like this video, guys, every week I keep posting new videos. So you will also see this is Morjim, so you'll have Ashwem, Anjuna, and a lot of videos coming up more, guys. So please subscribe to my channel. Alright, take care, guys. So guys, as you can see, I just came down from Keso. This is another place that is actually coming up. But next to that, if you can see that place there, just right next to it, that is a SOOO. I'll take you right there to it, guys, to show you that place. So that's a great sundowner that belongs to a friend of mine. I'll put the link in the description below, okay? So let me just head there and I'll show you the place, alright? Stay tuned. So guys, if you see, this is actually a SOOO. Alright, it looks very beautiful. This whole stretch, and it's going to be packed in the new year. So this is one of a good sundowner place that you can actually come right here. So yeah, if you like this place, I'll put the link in the description below, guys. Alright, just moving forward to see what's in that area, and then I'll show you a little bit of that stretch as well. So stay tuned, guys. So as you can see, guys, I was just at a SOOO. I just crossed this small stretch of lake and I'm come this side, and as you can see there's a few shacks on top. There's something called Black Horse here. I've never been to this place, but if you like something more peaceful, like completely silent, then Morjim is the best choice. But yeah, if you can see, it's just a very quiet, serene beach. Okay, and I think after that is Ashram. But this is it, guys. This is pretty much it. So if you do like Morjim, do give a thumbs up, guys. But this is the whole stretch that you can see, and then people still having a good time. People playing cricket and all that stuff on the beach. That is so cool. And yeah, and as I said, you know, that very end too is towards this. I mean, you can see there are a lot of foreigners as well, few of them. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. Of course I can't show you that side because that stretch is completely ashram. I'm going to show you in my next videos what are the places like sundowners and all that you can actually visit ashram. And this whole stretch is Morjim, guys, right till that very end, that coconut tree. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Let me take you all a little further down there. And there are a lot of incomplete constructions here. And again, beautiful evening, and it looks so lovely. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That side I'm going to show it in my next video, but then this is pretty much Morjim. Stick around, guys. If you like my videos, please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and alright guys, take care and have a